若民主国家要安怎团结？即马这是美国的国务卿布林肯去英国访问，嘛有甲英国外交大臣联合开记者会。布林肯是表示讲，美国、英国双方会共同确保台海的和平和稳定。英国的外交部嘛表示，针对印太地区的安全和繁荣，英国和美国这两国会团结嘛合作。
美国国务卿布林肯访问英国，甲英国外交大臣拉米举行美英战略对话。会后的联合记者会，布林肯讲，双方有讲到共同确保台湾海峡的和平稳定。
We also discussed joint efforts to ensure peace and stability across the Taiwan Strait and freedom of navigation and overflight in the South China Sea. For both of us, maintaining peace and stability, preserving the status quo, it's essential not just to us, it's again essential to countries all around the world.
对这互会，美国国会开启中国州，虽通过直接或者是间接甲中国相关的法案，其中无异议通过《太平洋伙伴关系法》，虽然对中国的针对性较低，不过内容是要求美国政府协调制定太平洋伙伴关系战略，应该甲台湾等国家一个太平洋岛国论坛紧密合作。
In recent years, the Chinese Communist Party has mounted an aggressive campaign to increase its influence among Pacific Island countries, is pressuring island nations to overturn their recognition of Taiwan, illegally fishing in their exclusive economic zones, and bribing local law enforcement to influence local elections.
来自南太平洋美属萨摩亚的美国众议员讲，中国这几年来一直扩张伫咧太平洋岛国的影响力，互人真担心。不过，这项法案也会送参议院审议，通过了后才会送白宫由总统签署正式生效。记者综合报道。